So we have to see the specimen of profit and loss account, appropriation account. Now we have to make one solution about a particular question which belongs to the profit and loss appropriation account. So question they are given. So first we have to read the question. Pramod and Pawan are partners in a firm with a capital of rupees 80,000 and 60,000 respectively on 1st April 2019. They agreed to share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 for the year ending 31st March 2020. They earned a profit of rupees 24,000 before the following. So number adjustments they are given. 4 adjustments is there. One is interest on capital, annual salary of Pawan, interest on drawings, Pramod and Pawan's given. So partners drawings rupees 15,000 and 10,000 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. This is the question. In simple manner they are given. So the first step we have to clearly understand the question. What is the information which is given to make a solution about the particular question? We have to understand that one. So first we have to identify some important information which is available in our question. So Pawan and Pramod and Pawan are partners in a firm with a capitals of rupees 80,000 and 60,000 respectively. So they are given capital details, but in our question, in our appropriation account, we won't consider the capital. But this capital, with the help of this capital, we have to calculate the interest. For that purpose, we need the total capital. So we have to underline this one. On 1st April 2019, so accounting year begins in April and ends with the March of the next year. They agreed to share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Ratio compulsorily they are given. If ratio is not given means we can assume the partners are the equal profit sharing partners. Sometimes ratio is given means we have to distribute any profit or any losses according to this ratio only for the year ended 31st March 2020. So this is the second information. They earned a profit of rupees 24,000 before the following. So this 24,000 is the profit, that is nothing but opening balance. This one 24,000. First we have to underline the opening values. And adjustment they are given. So which adjustment comes to which side, we have to classify that one. Interest on part capital at a 6% per annum they are given. So this belongs to debit side of the appropriation account. Annual salary of Pawan. Sometimes monthly salary given, we should multiply with 12 months. Sometimes annual salary they are given means we should write directly debit side of our appropriation account. Next, number third adjustment, interest on drawings. So here Pramod drawings, they only calculated and given, we should consider 1,500 and 1,000. These transactions come to credit side only. And finally, partners drawings rupees 15,000 and 10,000 respectively they are given. So adjustment number 4 we have to ignore, we won't consider, because they only calculate the drawings interest and they are given. If this value is not given, instead of this value percentage is given means this value we have to consider. If the percentage is not given but value of drawings and interest is given means value of drawings we should ignore and we should consider only interest on drawing. Finally, what we have to prepare is prepare profit and loss appropriation account. This is the question and we have to prepare this account only. So based on that we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. First we have to read the question, understand the question and classify the question, and finally we have to make the solution about this. Let's come to the solution. So solution, so profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for 31st March 2020. This is the heading. First we have to write the heading. So according to the heading, we have to create a table, that is left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side comes to debit transaction, right hand side will come to the credit transactions. We have to prepare an account by T format only. First we have to draw the columns like this only. So while preparing the account, in the first condition we must and should have to transfer the opening balance. Just understand this question once again. So they earned a profit. They are given profit. Profit means come to right hand side. If they earned loss means it will come to the left hand side, that is debit side. Now they are given profit, so that we have to transfer in the credit side only by profit and loss account. In bracket mention net profit brought down. Net profit brought down, which is available in our question, that is 24,000. They are given. This is the opening balance which is affected to our account. First we have to write down the opening balance, and remaining things we should be calculated based on the adjustments only. So here we have to read each and every adjustment. So capitals they are given, we won't consider. Let's come to the net profit. They are given, we should consider. Ratio we will take later, but adjustments, based on adjustment we have to consider. Adjustment number 1, interest on capital at 6% per annum they are given. So interest means it will come to the left hand side, that is debit side. We should write here to interest on capitals, because in this question two partners are there. One is Pramod, second partner is Pawan. So capital rate of interest is 6% they are given, but the value of capital they are given. We should consider the total capital into rate of interest. So Pramod capital is rupees 80,000 into 6%, 6 divided by 100, we will get one value. 6 8s are 48, 4,800 rupees we have to get. Second partner, so Pawan, 60,000 into 6% we have to get. So 3,600 rupees. 6 are 36, so 2 zeros we have to consider. So 3,600. This is adjustment number 1. One is completed. Let's come to adjustment number 2. Annual salary of Pawan. Any salary, any commission is we should record a debit side only. So we should write to Pawan salary. So annual they are given, we should write directly to the outer column. Suppose monthly salary is given, means we should write in the inner column, and multiplied with 12 months we will transfer the outer balance to the outer column. Annual means we should write directly to the outer column. This is adjustment number 2. So that is completed. Adjustment number 3, what it will say is interest on drawings. Promote drawings, Pawan drawings they are given. So drawings, the interest will consider to the right hand side, so it will come to the credit side by interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, that is Pramod, Pawan. So Pramod drawings is 1,500 rupees. Pawan drawings is 1,000 rupees. This is about adjustment number 3, that is completed. And adjustment number 4, their drawings is given, it won't consider, so that adjustment is ignored. Now we have to close the account. So how to close the account means, before closing the account, just once again we have to go through the solution, which side we have a highest value, whether debit side or credit side. If debit side get the greater balance, then the credit side means we will incur losses. Suppose credit side we will get the greater balance than the debit side, means we will incurring a profit. So just assume which side we have a highest balance, credit side only. 24,000, 25,000, 26,500. So 26,500 is the total value of credit side. Same value transfer to debit side also, 26,500 rupees. So out of this value, we should deduct all the values which is come to the
debit side, we have to deduct it. So 36,500 minus 4,800, 3,600 and 5,000, we will get the difference value. The difference value will be considered as a 13,100. This value we have to transfer to the partner. So we will make the difference. We have to put a star mark. So write down the heading to partners capital account. So partners capital account we should write, and we have to distribute it. So this will be considered as a profit carried down, that we have to write. So this profit we have to distribute it according to the ratio. One partner is Pramod, first partner is Pramod, second partner is Pawan. So 13,100 into 3 divided by 5. How is? So ratio is given 3 plus 2, that belongs to 5. First partner is 3 by 5. Second partner is 13,100 into 2 divided by 5. While dividing this value, we have to get the equal value. First partner will get 7,860 rupees. The second partner will get 5,240. So while adding these two, we will get the equal value. If we will not get the equal value, means we are doing the wrong distribution. If both the values will be balanced, it means you can assume we are doing the right solution only. Based on this information, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account according to this manner only. So this question belongs to 6 marks for section C.